In the previous video, you saw what windows were. And I also mentioned something about widgets. So widgets are elements in your window which let you interact with the computer. For example, all of these are widgets. This is a button. This could be another button. This could be a text field. All of these could be buttons. Do we have an image here? Yes, this image of Python. And this altogether forms our window. So we'll start off by creating simple widgets called labels. The labels are used to display simple text. You can also use them to display images, which we won't be getting into right now. So we can create our label. Let's call this hello is equal to tk.label, capital L, oops, wrong, tk.label. In this, you can see we have to enter an argument called master. Now master is the window in which the label should come in. Right now we only have one window, which is root, so let's specify that, root, comma. Now we'll have to specify the text that we want to enter. So we say text is equal to a string, hello world, hello world, hello world, or hello Tkinter. Let's try and run this. We still haven't got our widget. It's because we haven't main looped it, or in the case of widgets, packed it. We have to add these to the window. We've just created them. We haven't added them to the window yet. So we can show them in the window with pack or grid or place. Right now I'm only going to show you a simple version of pack, and in separate tutorials I'm going to show you grid, place, and a little more about pack. So for now we'll just look at pack. So my widget name hello.pack. Do I have main loop? Yes, but main loop won't work. We need pack. Let's run this. And there we have it, right in the center top. We have hello Tkinter. The default position for pack is the top. I'll show you how to change that in a future tutorial, but this is all for now. I want to create another label. Let's call this label2 is equal to tk.label. We'll copy this data. We haven't got another window yet. And in this, let's enter this is another label. And now let's mention another argument. We've got several arguments here, but one of the arguments here is font. We can also have the background and foreground, but let's change the font for now. The font is equal to, and in this we have a tuple. In the tuple we enter the font. I'd like Calibri. In a future tutorial, I'll link all the fonts available. We have to enter the size. I'm going to take 30. 30 is pretty big, but we'll take that. And in this bold or italic, all those arguments. Bold, italic, underlined. And run this. We forgot to pack it. Let's pack it. Label 2 dot pack. Let's try this out. You can see this is Calibri, if I'm not wrong, the font. It's bold and it's much larger than the other labels. You can try out with some other fonts, which as I said, will link to the description. And we packed it. We can also change the font, the color. The color, let's change the FD. FD is equal to blue. Let's try that. You can see it's blue in color now. There are several colors. Take red, got red here. Several custom colors as well, which I'll be doing another tutorial on. Tkinter is very vast. So that's all for this tutorial. You saw some important things about labels. We can change the background as well, but that isn't something very unique to labels. You can do that with almost all widgets. So this is all for now, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Just a note, I'll be doing all or most of my tutorials for Tkinter as premieres, so stay tuned. Also, do not forget to subscribe and like this. So subscribe to my channel and like this video, since it's the only way that I can be supported.